There you go. Tell him that this how we get done.
How you mean? The man say, I hang up. I hang up. Who? Not me, my boy. Hang up in what? Not me, my boy. Crazy?
Yeah, man.
Hang up in what? Not me. Me just start. I mean, I just start driving truck. I tell you what, yeah, but who? Hang up in what? You crazy? Tell me hang up in Charlie truck. Them when I was go slow on it. Not me, the same way. Hang up in what? When the man come, rewind and come again.
Come in clean.
Rewind and come again. I want them hear them up full of it. I know you get man out here what could drive way better than me. You understand? But me ain't gonna go on and say, oh, who, me? Hang up. Hang up. And I act like me hang up. If I hang up, I'm gonna tell you straight up I hang up. You understand? Not me, my boy. See, like just now, that's what happened when I taking it out of the hole. Yeah.